So as you're taking out your tail lights, you want to wiggle it left and right.
Okay.
And it'll eventually go ahead and just pop out.
So it's fairly easy, right?
Yeah, fairly easy.
Alright.
Did you have a fuse on that one?
Yeah.
May I see the clip? May I see the light?
So the light fuse is colored blue.
Okay.
Just take off. It goes in here. Then there's one tab inside on the side. Just press it and wiggle it around, it will come out. That's probably it for the lights.
Alright, this looks like a pin.
Alright.
So now we could just run this bad boy out back through there.
Yep.
So once you take the camera out, then pretty much all the cables should come out, right?
Mm-hmm. You'll feed it back through the wire where it came out from.
I don't think it'll fit. You want to take the trunk off first. Hold this one off.
I don't want to hit your...
I don't want to hurt the windshield.
Yeah, I saw videos on that. And it should just go ahead and re-thread itself.
I'm just taking off the bolts, the washer.
To what?
So
To
put the
we're gonna
brake-
attach the what?
It's for the latches, just to hold the latch on place. And just 2 bolts and 2 washers. We're just gonna use the drill. Then this goes here.
And that should plug in.
So now we're gonna go ahead and drill in the plates. And we add in the masking tape for what, Mike?
For protection on the carbon fiber.
El Chapo. I am the God. El Chapo. I am the God. El Chapo. I am the God. You know I get the kilos, 50%. If you are not bilingual, get the fuck up out of town before we run your ass down. Underground, how I came out. Any nigga try to stop me, let it hang out, let it bang, let it rain out. Yo soy el Dios, you are Dios, nigga. I am the God. Get a nigga chopped up. Full of killer squad, full of hit a squad, full of niggas that'll pull up, let it bark on a nigga. 106 shots park on a nigga.